Hey guys, what you're about to see here is an unboxing. What is it though? We will find out. I know it. I'm sure I can tell what this is already though, but I don't want to spoil it for anybody. But I know Lego King 668 is gonna like this. If I can get it open. Come on, open up. Please. Yep, got it. Did not come with the memory card, but that's okay. I'll order one off Amazon, and it is a Sega Dreamcast. Yep. Brand new Sega Dreamcast with 2 Sega Dreamcast controllers. This one and this one. Although I was not really expecting this one to come, but that's okay. It's another one of those Mad Catz controllers. And with it, like I said, it did not come with the memory card, but there's the AV jacks and the power cord. And then again, a game with it, or not with it, but do I have a game for it? Yes, I do. I purchased this a couple days ago. It's Sonic Adventure. Yep. So, you guys are really gonna like that. But yeah, I've got my Sega Dreamcast with me today. But does it work? That is what we are going to find out. Let me get everything set up. I don't know if we're going to have enough time for this. It should work. I got it used very good off Amazon, so I think it should work fine. remove all the stuff. Yeah, I wish this came with the memory card, but I'll just get one off Amazon. That's not where I want it. There. Oh, fix this. I gotta hook it up here. There. Now the back of the controller of the port to plug it in looks a lot like the back of it on the PS2 to me. This thing should work though. As I said. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Please, thank you. Okay, there. Come on. Ah. Okay, there we go. Now let's plug these in. Oh, gotta unplug the Wii ones. Forgot about that. Plug in the Dreamcast ones. And I'll use this controller. By the way, I am also expecting Sonic Adventure 2. Sorry for spoilers. But I might do that game on YouTube, as well as possibly this one. Even though I did the GameCube game already. Looks like it works. Oh, wait a second. Let me try again. This thing should work. Might be the game, but let's just give it some time here. But I'll just end the video right here. So see you guys for my next one.